Welcome to the MS School Assembly, where our students come together to showcase their talents. Our MS juniors today will be enchanting us with their dancing, poem singing, prayers, acts and plays, and reading news and facts. Get ready to be mesmerized by the graceful movements of our young dancers as they take the stage. You will also be delighted by the melodious voices of our junior poets as they recite their beautiful verses. And let's not forget the heartfelt prayers that will be offered by our students, bringing a sense of peace and unity to our assembly. Our juniors will also be performing acts and plays that will entertain and inspire us. We will witness their storytelling skills and dramatic abilities come to life on stage. In addition, our young newsreaders will keep us informed about the latest events and share interesting facts with us. This assembly is a celebration of the diverse talents and abilities of our MS juniors. It is a chance for them to shine and for all of us to appreciate their hard work and dedication. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as our students take the spotlight and make us proud. Thank you for joining us in this special event.